Bonjour, Kinamagene Ireland, Dishnikas, and welcome to the latest episode of our Week in a Glance series. Today, we'll be featuring week 26. And now we'll begin with our Google Classroom stream page. Contact information is available there. And by now, you've heard me say this so many times, you know how this works. Also available on the page is old newsletters and previous weeks at a glance, some notes here, and then also our February lunch menu and our school calendar. You can access this information through your students' Google Classroom. That can be downloaded to most devices. There's not a newsletter this week, so I'm just going to highlight a few things. First, on snowy and cold days, don't forget that we have the Saginaw Chippewa Academy webpage. It also serves as the education webpage, sagchipschool.net. And under the live feed, you can see notes from the office, from our director. School cancellations will be there. And so that's a positive. You can also sign up further down the page for the app and elect to receive push notifications. Comes to you pretty fast. And you can see that yesterday was a half day. Tomorrow there is no school on Friday the 17th, and there's no school on Monday the 20th. So it's a 4-day weekend coming to you. Looking at our week at a glance. This one's going to be a shorter video. You're going to move about your day relatively quickly. We're continuing with science themed text and reading. Writing, we're working on a pro-con. Math, we're continuing with adding and subtracting fractions. Science, continuing with the solar system. Social studies, we're looking at the progress towards revolution. Math review and enrichment, still looking heavily at geometry. We'll be beginning here in the next week or two to do some spiraling on the other direction in the effort to give students a chance to get those 3s on their report card. Tech, we only have 2 sessions since there's no school on Monday. Wednesdays, web is rather maybe. We have a cool opportunity, weather permitting, to work with our AB staff to put the cover on our school lodge. I have volunteered the 5th graders to participate. There will be an email that I'll probably send on Tuesday with any updates. Might be a good day to make sure that they dress warm. It's supposed to be around 30 degrees, so it's not too cold, but it's pretty chilly if they just wear a hoodie all day long. So on Wednesday, I would make sure your student has hats, coats, gloves. If there's snow on the ground, boots would be fine. This is their first opportunity, my first opportunity, where we're not doing it as a whole staff, so I don't know exactly how to look, but it's a great opportunity, and I look forward to our students getting that opportunity to say, hey, we built that. Beyond that, it's a pretty straightforward week. I promised this would be a short video, and it's really short. I hope everyone has a great weekend. I look forward to a good week of school next week, opportunity to build that lodge. I know that the weather is going to be a little up and down over the next few weeks. So if you haven't had an opportunity to sign up for the app, now is a good time. Obviously, you don't have to worry about a snow day tomorrow. We're not here. So that's a positive. So I hope everyone has a minute. Menwa, Pamapi.